everyone, this is the view, the front view of Telesfora Beach Resorts where we are staying. It's not the best place, but it's perfect for us simple people. But the view is perfect because this is what I am looking for, that I can stay overnight and feel the breeze, feel the nature, feel the waves. Here it is. Look at this. Telesfora El Nido, Palawan. It's kind of like foggy all day. Cloudy, I mean. But such a beautiful place today, guys. Look at this. Sky like cloudy. No sun at all day. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam, guys, na feel mo na nagbakasyon ka. Kasi for 5 years kasi, guys, hindi ako nakapagbakasyon at gusto ko tong ganito na maalat na tubig, makapag-swim at dito lang palagi sa lugar na to. Look at this. It's a long white shore beach. Here we go. It's kind of like the water is not very clear because we have some rain recently, but it's awesome to relax, to feel the moment that you are in vacation after a long no sleep hours of work. And here comes the guys walking. Look at these beautiful trees that you cannot feel the hot, you know. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that. Woo! This is similar that the place that we stay in Isla Gigantes and Iloilo. This is what I want, guys. I just wanna feel this moment. I'm here on vacation to rest, even I am stressed sometimes for the kids. And there's a beautiful restaurant bar here. Yun ang area namin sa likod. O pala. Pikhaisi Pop District of Lido, Lion Sunset Lodge. Dami pala dito, para siyang sa Bohol. Ito yung mamahalin na restaurants or hotel and restaurant. Lion Sunset Lodge and Lido. Morning walks, resort. Yung kinuha namin yung parang pinakamura kasi marami kami magkapatid. Kayak for rent. Available here. Island tour. Ito. Mga place na you can live here. Aura Beach Resorts Maya. Parang itong sa Bohol. Sa Panglao. Ganda dito. Huh? Private. So, pwede kayo dito mag-rent pag mayaman kayo. I'm sure mahal to. Sa amin, simple lang. Maganda dito. I'm sure mahal to. Tapos may mga rentals doon pala sa itaas, guys. Oh. Let's zoom it. Oh. Pero malayo na yan sa beach. Maglakad-lakad, lakbay kayo sa lakad. Oh. Sa bundok. Ito mga lube. Oh, ang ganda dito. Sila nasa kwarto, ako lumabas. Naglalakad-lakad. Kasi gusto kong ganito, guys. Ang tubig, guys, oh. Maputik naman. Ba't nagtubod-tubod to ba? Oh. Take a look. Biggest sunset bar. Ito maraming kayak, guys. Ito maraming lubid. Ang laki ng kahoy, oh. Magandang tingnan. Kung layo ng Malakaran, it's too far to walk. This is all white shore, guys. Ocean Whisper Massage. Daming massage dito, guys. Talagang business to, guys, ha? Ano kayang pangalan nitong kahoy na to? Maraming bunga. They have a lot of fruits. Alam ko yung isa, talisay. So hanggang dito na lang ako, guys. Dito na lang yung lakarin lahat. Ang layo. Yun ang lalayo. May white sensor doon pa. Yun na yun. Malayo na. So dito na lang ako. Kurong. Daming mga bangka. So rami guys. Yun, oh. Tintik.